Hey, little one. Would you like some peas? Would you like some peas? Yes. You're not sure how you feel about peas, is that true? You want a little more time to think about it? Yeah? Yes? You're looking at them. Does it mean you would like some more? Would you like some more? Would you? Okay, we open our mouths. That's a good sign. Okay. A little bit? Yes, yes. Okay, alright. Yes. Yes, time. Aye. Would you like another spoon? Would you like another spoon? Do you? No? Would you? Okay. We will take a little bit of a spoon, each spoon. We don't eat too much. Okay. Ay. Wait. Yes, we are a messy baby. We are a messy little baby. Yes. Oh, yes. You're not thrilled about peas, are you? Is it enough? Would you like one more spoon? A little bit of one spoon. Would you? Okay, good boy. Wow, that was a lot. Wait. Yes, mommy is messy. Mommy's not very good at it yet. Wow, you're going for the spoon. Yes. Good baby. Good baby. Is that enough for a little baby? Little baby wants. Little baby open mouth? Yes? Okay. Okay. That's probably enough. Yes. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oi! Not too much mess. Not too much mess. No. Why? You can wipe it yourself. Okay. Yes, now we can play with feet. We're done eating, and we are on to the second business of the day. Yes. Ooh, no.